5-pack. USB 3.1 Type-C to VGA adapter for connecting a PC, notebook, or tablet to a VGA-equipped monitor or display. Supports resolutions up to 1080p. Transmits video from computer or tablet to monitor display. Note: VGA does not transmit audio. Reversible design, easily insert the Type-C connector into any Type-C enabled device, supports USB 3.1 and is also backwards compatible with USB 2.0. Compatible with Windows 10/8, 1/8, Mac OS and Chrome, easy installation, no drivers or power adapters required. Complete connection requires a VGA cable, sold separately, backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. It works great. Working from home, I needed this to connect my laptop to a bigger monitor for ease of working, and this did the trick. Worked from my Lenovo laptop and Acer screen with ease.